How does one go from raw, opaque egg to transparent, soft, and squishy egg? Welcome to another episode of Fun Experiments with Octosci Academy. Please like, share, and follow. This is the transparent egg experiment. You will need one raw egg for this experiment. Some apple cider vinegar or distilled vinegar is okay. A transparent container, whether glass or plastic, something transparent so you can see your reaction. Gently put the egg in the container. Add enough vinegar to completely cover the egg in your container and cover it with a cling film or a see-through container and leave it on the tabletop for 14 days. Please do not shake. Inspect your experiment every 48 hours. After 48 hours, you will notice bubbles around the egg. This is due to the generation of carbon dioxide, and this is because acetic acid is present in vinegar. This acetic acid reacts with the calcium carbonate that is present in eggshell. When an acid reacts with a base, the reaction is called a neutralization reaction, and a neutralization reaction gives salt and water. However, in addition to salt and water, we are getting carbon dioxide here because our base is a carbonate. After 14 days, you'll see bubbles around on the surface and the eggshell would have become completely soft. Gently take out the egg and observe the shell. It's become completely soft and squishy. Handle it with care. It is still raw egg at the end of the day. You do not want to break that because the membrane is the only thing now protecting the egg. You don't want to break that. Just rubbing your fingers against the membrane removes all the soft and squishy bits. Rinse that in tap water to remove the bit of the eggshell that is left, and inspect your egg. You're going to see that the yolk has become transparent. As you can see here, rotating it, you can see as the yolk is moving, it has become transparent. This is an easy experiment to demonstrate acids, bases, and their reactions. Please don't forget to like, share, and comment. Click the link in the description box to get the manual for this experiment. Thank you.